Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare sweet corn soup. Ingredients for sweet corn soup: 2 cups of sweet corn, around 12 numbers of garlic cloves, small piece of ginger, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, around 100 grams of beans, salt to taste, and required oil or ghee. Making the ingredients ready. So peel the skin completely of the ginger. First grate the ginger. Grate the garlic the same way how you have done for ginger. Thoroughly wash the beans and cut the ends. So we are going to cut this one into small pieces. So mix the corn flour with water. And keep ready. So you have to dissolve the corn flour in water. We have to grind around 3/4 of the quantity. You have to grind and keep. So we have taken 3/4 of the quantity. We grind it as a paste. Keep the pan in flame. Add ghee. So if you have butter, you can do in butter also. Going to add the grated ginger. Grated garlic. In the beans. Sweet corn. We're going to add the hot water. So this is the 5th soup in our channel. Before there is cauliflower soup, bottle gourd soup, carrot soup, tomato soup, and this is the 5th one. We're going to lid this one. So we're going to open the lid. So it is cooked. So we're going to add the grinded paste with this one. That is the sweet corn paste. Approximately we have to add 1.5 liters of water. Add the required salt. So lid this one for a minute. Open the lid. It's boiling now. So mix the corn flour well, because we have mixed before. Maybe the corn flour settled in the bottom. Then add the corn flour in the mixture. So we're going to add the black pepper powder. Soup is ready to serve. Sweet corn soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and relatives.